around 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, near Scala, we had my first boat of refugees, and they were all in the water. All. The boat was sunk, and they were 63 people, but we could manage to save them all.
You see people in wheelchairs and, you know, families that are pregnant and young children, and they just want to go to Germany or Sweden, and it's very difficult to try to persuade them to go to other countries that will also welcome them and where they can start a new life safely and legally.
So usually I work at the courtyard where people are being registered, their fingerprints are taken, they're being photographed, and as they wait for the registration or when they're done, I approach them and I try to explain relocation for them.
You can quickly build up a rapport with people, have a conversation, you use the knowledge you have at your fingertips. You also work with a big team, a lot of people, interpreters, the Greek officers themselves, and between you can quickly establish where people are from and get them moving as quickly as possible.
We will be here to help because there's always refugees coming, and we need to know who they are, where they're going, so we can help them.